Hello, dear viewers. This is ERi-TV English news broadcast. It's Saturday, June 29, 10:30 p.m. local time in Asmara, and these are the major headlines for today. Call for effort in soil and water conservation in Ansawa region. My Habar Technical School graduates 130 students. Nigeria to ban single-use plastics as of next year. And more than 500 die as temperatures rose in southern Pakistan. On your domestic reports, Ambassador Abdullah Musa, Governor of Ansaba region, has called for a concerted effort in soil and water conservation to improve the environment and enhance agricultural production. Ambassador Abdullah made this call during an assessment meeting held on 27 June in Karen. At the meeting, attended by department heads, subzonal administrators, and heads of line ministries, Ambassador Abdullah urged the public to enhance organizational capacity and actively participate in initiatives such as soil and water conservation, as well as the construction of terraces and water diversion schemes. Reports presented at the meeting highlighted significant achievements over the past 3 years, including the construction of 24 microdams and the completion of feasibility studies for 5 additional microdams across 5 administrative areas. It was reported that 90% of the planned soil and water conservation programs have been successfully implemented, with a call for increased public involvement to achieve even better results. Further reports indicated the completion of potable water projects in Haberot Zada and Haberot Elim, the construction of additional classrooms in Kartzet and Fenshebeku administrative areas, and the renovation of the dirt road linking Aretai with Haberot Zada and Haberot Elim, showcasing strong public participation in these initiatives. Participants engaged in extensive discussions on the presented reports and adopted several recommendations. On your last domestic report, My Habar Technical School celebrated its 24th commencement ceremony, graduating 130 students, including 66 females, from its certificate programs across 7 fields of study. The training encompassed both theoretical and practical aspects in disciplines such as auto mechanics, construction, electricity, electronics, general metalworks, plumbing, and woodworks. Mr. Tesfazgi Abraha, the school's director, emphasized the pivotal role of skilled youth in national development, urging graduates to apply their knowledge effectively and contribute to implementing national development programs on the ground. Mr. Maasho Gabretinsae, Director General of Technical and Vocational Education and Training at the Ministry of Education, highlighted significant investments in modernizing educational facilities and technical schools. He noted that approximately 900 students are expected to graduate from various technical schools nationwide this year. Representatives of the graduates expressed gratitude for the training opportunities provided and pledged to fulfill the expectations of the government and the public who provided the training opportunity. Established in 1994, My Habar Technical School has graduated a total of 5,038 students to date. We'll be back with your international reports and more, dear viewers. Do stay tuned. Welcome back. Nigeria on Tuesday announced a ban on single-use plastics in government offices as a prelude to a nationwide ban set to begin January next year, a move that could steer a storm in a country hugely dependent on plastics. A recent study of the U.S. Agency for International Development found that Nigeria is among the world's top plastic polluters, generating over 2.5 million tons of plastic waste annually, and over 70% of which ends up in seas and landfill. As per reports, most of the materials to be banned are single-use plastics, including straws, cutlery, plastic bottles, and small water sachets, which present a major issue for the country. Nigeria is also drafting a new plastic use single-use policy that targets a phased approach to eliminating plastic waste. Within 5 years, it's expected producers to shift to alternatives and aims to tightly regulate imports. On today's final report, as the temperatures rose in southern Pakistan, so did the body count. The ERi ambulance service says it usually takes around 30 to 40 bodies to the Karachi city morgue daily. But over the last 6 days, it has collected some 568 bodies, 141 of them on Tuesday alone. It is too early to say exactly what the cause of the death was in every case. However, the rising numbers of deaths came as temperatures in Karachi rose above 40 degrees Celsius, with the high humidity making it feel like 49 degrees Celsius. People have been heading to hospitals seeking help. Civil Hospital Karachi admitted 267 people with heat stroke between Sunday and Wednesday, said Dr. Imran Sarwar, head of the emergency department, and 12 of them died. The high temperatures, described as partial heat wave by one meteorologist, began during last weekend. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a quick recap of the major headlines. Call for effort in soil and water conservation in Ansaba region. Myhabar Technical School graduates 130 students. Nigeria to ban single-use plastics as of next year. And more than 500 die as temperatures rose in southern Pakistan. That was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching and have a good one.